With sustaining power of 1,000 watts and peak power of 2,000 watts. This power system is one of the best that you can get for its size. We're talking medium-sized power station that performs as well as the big boys. Overall, very nice push-button display. Multiple outlets for power. High performance in a little package. Sleek and stylish like never before. Disrupting the marketplace and making all the other ones run with fear because they can't perform on the level that this one performs on. Overall, one of the best power banks. Money bang bang bang. Best bang bang bang, my friends. Alright guys, let's go camping. Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. So for today's video, we're checking out this pretty awesome looking power bank. It's a power station. You guys can charge so many devices, use it for off-grid, on-grid, use it for vacations, for traveling. You guys can use it at your home if the power goes out, and so many applications, it's insane. Let's get started. So guys, this is how it comes packaged, nice and protected. So guys, you can pause the video here if you'd like to see some extra specs for it. That way you know. It's stable at 1,000 watts and it peaks at 2,000. That is extremely high for a small little power bank like this power station. And this is really nice looking. So you have your DC out shared, which is 12 volt, 10 amps. You also have your 12 volt plug right up in here. You also have DC in, which is a maximum of 120 watts. You have your PD, which is a type C port, max 100 watts. So that can definitely be used for fast charging. You have two USB ports and they are 18 watts each. So that's also pretty quick. You have your display right here. You look like Bluetooth you can connect to. So there's a lot of different things that you guys can do. Make sure you refer to your manual for more. You also have two plugs, and it can handle a maximum of 1,000 watts. So make sure you don't plug in more than 1,000 watts total. So you could have a 500 watt and a 500 watt, or you could have a 700 watt and a 300 watt. It can peak. So for example, if you turn on a heater that is 700 watts normal and it peaks to like 1,500, that's okay. It can peak to up to 2,000, but it can't sustain that. Overall, really nice looking. You have multiple fans on the side, multiple fans on the other side to keep it cool. Overall, this is a really nice unit. Let's go ahead and charge some devices. All right guys, so what you want to do is you want to go ahead and turn on whatever you're using. So you just press, for the outlets, we press that button. For the 12 volt, you would press that. For, let's see, these, you would press down here, the USB. And now you guys can see that it is charging. It says out. And we got 70% battery life left. So now we're charging this lamp. We're gonna go ahead and let that charge. Let's go ahead and plug in another one into the USB ports. So now we got two different lights charging, and we're gonna go ahead and do that. While that's charging, we're gonna go ahead and show you guys what you got. So you have a 12 volt plug right here, and that just connects into your DC 12 volt. So that would be for charging. So you could charge this with your vehicle if you want by just plugging it in here and then plug this into your vehicle, and then you can charge it that way. Also charge this by using the wall plug. It is grounded, so that is a plus. So you just plug that into the wall. Now this can handle solar, but the problem is they don't give you a solar panel, which is all right. Most of these systems, unless you're buying a full set, don't come with solar panels. But if you want to use a solar panel, you can. You just need the same DC in socket. So and you want a panel that can send 120 watts or less. If you have one that it's a 200 watt, it's only going to send 120 watts. So keep that in mind. But I do recommend just staying with a panel that's 120 or less. And you're going to want this similar plug. So this is pretty thick. You're going to want to refer to the manual and listing. So I recommend getting this first, then getting a solar panel if that's the way you want to go. But you can definitely do that and use a solar panel with this for charging.